Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the left tab stop 3.5 inch in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make the left tab stop 3.5. Click inside the text box. Go to the paragraph settings option. Then go to the tab settings and we can see here the default tab stops 3. Now we change it 3.5. Then select the left option and click OK. Then click before the text. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we make the left tab stop 3.5 inch very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.